Hello students, my name is Himanshu and here I'm going to start the Tally training. The first thing that we need to understand that what is Tally. Tally ERP 9.2 is the latest version of Tally software. Tally is the name of the company, which is Tally Solution, and it is their product, which is Tally ERP 9.2, primarily an accounting software. And why we call it an ERP? Because that stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. Now enterprise means any business entity, for which means a company, let's say. So a software which is going to help you in order to plan about the resources of the company. And how you can do that? If you have got the complete accounting information about that company, so that you can take important business decisions. So let's talk about the evaluation of Tally. In 1986, the company named Puretronics has developed this particular software. Not the particular software, basically it was the Tally company only, but at that point of time the company name was Puretronics. In 1988 it has been renamed as Tally Solutions. 1997 was a very important year because they have launched their Windows based version or a desktop based version, which is the primary reason of their success. But I'm talking about 1997, not the 2018. So you can think about, if you have not gotten desktop based application and your application is going to run only through internet connection, it's not going to be so much successful. So in 1997 they have launched their Windows based version, which is very important. In 2001 they have launched their education version. I will come to the education version later on, then what is the importance of it. And 2016 was again an important year as far as India market is concerned, because the complete taxation system has been changed, because in 2016 GST has been launched. So remember, Tally was the first company that has been enrolled as the GST Suvidha provider. In 2017 Tally has launched the GST in their particular software. Tally software comes in three versions. The first one is the Silver Edition mode, which is being used for the single user. If you have got a very small company and if you are going to manage your own accounts only, then you may go for the Silver Edition mode. The approximate price is going to be in Indian currency. I'm talking about, it's 15,000 to 20,000 in between. If I'm talking about the Gold Edition mode, it's for multi-purpose, not the multi-purpose, multi-user. If you've got a CA firm and definitely you are going to manage many accounts, then you require this Gold Edition mode, and the costing for this is going to range between 54,000 to 70,000. The last version is the education version, which is free of cost, of course, and in this you are going to get all the features which is available in Tally software, the actual software. So how they are and why they are providing this for free? Because they understand one thing very importantly: even though it is a very simple software, but it requires a training, and in order to have the training, it's not possible, or it's not practical to think about that each and every user is going to purchase Tally software just in order to learn this. So what they want, that most of the accountants or many owners should be well versed with Tally or Tally software, so that they can go ahead and can purchase their license. The only difference between silver edition mode, Gold Edition mode, and an education version is that in education version you can't change the date. The date can be 1, 2, 3, that's it. You can't change the date in education version. The rest of the thing will remain same. I'm going to tell you in the next few videos that how you can download the Tally software and can install this. This is very easy because this is free of cost, of course. Next, let me talk you about the Tally training a bit. Tally training has been divided in three parts. The first part is going to be accounts. There we are going to learn about the voucher entries. Before we go for the voucher entries, don't worry, we are going to go through many fundamental aspects. The second important part is going to be the taxation part, and we are going to cover the old taxation part, which is comprised of VAT and other important aspects, and the GST as well. In the inventory, we will take care of the stock management and sales and purchase order information. In the payroll part, we will going to learn how to get the employee details and how to generate the pay slips. So this is all for the first video. In the next video, we are going to understand how to install the Tally software free of cost. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.